Invisible watermarks in CapCut PC, Windows/Mac, involve embedding a subtle, hard-to-notice mark, like text or a logo, into your video to protect your content. First, add your video to the timeline and resize it. Then add text and stretch it to the end of the video. After this, type your desired text in the text box and customize it. Now select the text and create a compound clip, then go to the blend options and choose soft light. Preview the video and check the results. Once you are satisfied, click the export button and save the video.